If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Tianna, and if you're returning, it's nice to see you guys again. So what we're doing today is a declutter video of all of my clothing items. If you're new or maybe you missed it, I have been doing a declutter series on my channel now, and I'm really excited because this one is almost the last one. Every 6 months I like to go through all of my things, my clothing, my makeup, my beauty products, everything like that, just because I feel like after 6 months you really start to know what you use, what you don't use, and then you can go from there. So what I did was I went through all of my clothing, I went through everything. I went through pajamas, I went through bathing suits, I went through like t-shirts, dresses, fall items. I went through everything. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and trying on the items that I'm not going to be keeping in my wardrobe. Now, because I do a lot of try on videos, hauls, style videos, some of these pieces may have been mentioned in previous videos where I said I liked them. Now, we can change. Everyone can change in so many months. Sometimes you wear something, sometimes you end up not wearing something, and sometimes just because I'm getting rid of it doesn't mean that I don't love it. It's just probably because it doesn't fit me. So if you have not already, make sure to subscribe, ring that bell to be notified when I upload next. I have one more video coming up. That's a decluttering video. It's going through all of my activewear. I wanted to keep that separate just because I thought it'd be a lot better, just because I like to get specific when I do activewear videos, and I like to be more specific when I do clothing videos. That's the same as like when I do products and makeup, so I like to do all that. So if that's interesting to you, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when I upload, and make sure to leave me a comment down below, and let's just get right into this. So the very first thing that I want to touch base on is how I started it and everything like that. So I knew I wanted to go through all of my clothing. I brought up all my bags of clothing that had my sweaters, my Christmas things. I went through my bathing suits. I went through my pajamas. I went through socks and underwear and all that just off camera, but I went through basically everything on camera. The only items that I did not really show and take clips of and go through was like my snow pants, my 2 winter coats, and 2 sweaters, because those are like my staples that are just downstairs and ready for me to grab when I need them, so I know I'm going to be keeping those. So there was no point in me really taking them out because I knew I'd be putting them right back there. So I thought it'd be a really good opportunity to go through all of my sweaters, all my scarves, and all my more fall related clothing, just so that I'm able to do fall clothing videos for you guys very soon. Instead of taking everything out, I know that's like the best method too, or at least that's what I've done in the past, but what I wanted to do this time was do kind of not section by section, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more clean, a little bit more calm, relaxing, and not so much like a pressure to clean. So what I did was I took a bag and I went through the bag, and then I started sorting it from what I want and what I don't want. I then moved on to my pajamas, which I just took this section of pajamas out of my wardrobe, and then, you know, went through what I want, what I don't want, and then I went through my swimsuits and cover-ups just to see again what I want, what I don't want, and then I took everything of mine except for my activewear because I previously went through that, but I took everything of mine that was clothing related and just went through it. I found that way to be a lot more easier. I know that a lot of people like the KonMari method, and in all honesty, I actually used to do that even before I knew about the KonMari method, but this time I just wanted it to be very calm, laid back, and that's what I did. So I'm going to be showing you guys the pieces that just no longer work for me. The one big thing about me is because I have a hard time finding clothes, whenever I get something that fits me, I buy it right away, which I need to stop because there are times where I buy clothes like you guys are going to see and it fits me, but I don't wear it. But I just bought it because it fit me. I'm only going to start buying things that I know I'm going to wear that fit me properly, and that's that. So let's go through the things that I no longer need. So the first thing here, this is just a wool like cardigan slash sweater. This is so pretty. It is so comfy. My mom got this for me a while ago. I really wish I could still wear it. The only reason why is because I have very sensitive skin, and it's just so itchy on my skin all the time. Even when I wear like a long sleeve top, it still finds its way to make me itchy. I don't know why. I wish I could wear it, but I just can't. It's just that material. I don't know what it is. So anyway, I'm passing this along. So another thing here that I'm going to get rid of are just these flare jeans from the Lookbook store. If you guys didn't watch that video, I'll link it down below. Lookbook is like a clothing company that sell clothes on Amazon. It's very affordable. They sent me a couple things. They sent me these, and to me they're just not the best fitting and they're not the style of jean that I like, so I'm gonna pass these along. The next thing here again from the Lookbook store is just the bell sleeve top with the shoulders. The only reason why I'm getting rid of this is just because it's a size small, which I personally like extra small. Okay, these here, this is what I'm gonna be passing along unless you want a video. If you want a video on this, be sure to let me know. Go down below and tell me if you want this video. This here is the Robert Matthew Radiance Women Shapewear. They sent me this and it was kind of a long story, like back and forth on if you want me to do like a review for you guys, send me something, just not the shapewear, only because I personally just don't feel like I'm the best person to review shapewear. And not just that, when I got it, I was like, okay, maybe I'll do a review, and it just didn't fit my body right. So if you want a review, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna pass this along to a family member. The next thing here are just these Dynamite shorts, which they're just a little bit too short for me now, but Dynamite has really, really cute clothing, so those are gonna be going. This here is just some pajama pants. My mom got these for me for Christmas, but they're just too small around the ankles, so these can go. This is funny because I was at work and I put a pair of pants on and they were just too small. So I just could not take it anymore because the heat, right? Like skinny jeans in heat, it was just too much. So my boyfriend said just cut them. So I did, and it turned out so bad. So anyway, these were a pair of jeans that I just cut at my work. So I don't know, maybe my sister can make that work for her and she can fix it up or something, but it's not for me. The next thing here, again, this is from Roots. It is beautiful. The only problem with it is honestly just the material for me. I don't know what it is. It's always like this material just makes me super itchy, and I try to wear long sleeves underneath, turtlenecks, everything I can, and it just doesn't work, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna pass this along. Oh, I'm so mad because I really like it, but alright, so another thing is going to be from the Lookbook store, again, just because this one was a size small, but it did fit bigger just because it had ruching in the front. So I feel like one of my sisters would like this a lot more better than I do. I wanted to keep this as a cover up for on the beach, but it was just too big and not fitting me like I would have liked it. So I'm going to pass this along. The next thing here is from Le Chateau. I never even wore this. I really wanted to. And I even tried to like bring these straps in as small as they could, but it just didn't fit me the way I wanted it to. And it's just really sheer, so I'd have to make sure I'm wearing something underneath of it. It's so pretty, and I never even wore it. I wanted to wear it so badly, but I haven't worn it, and I know I'm not going to wear it in the winter because it's floral print, and if I haven't worn it yet, I know I'm not. So I'm just going to get rid of it. And nothing's making me grab it, so I feel like it should go. These here are two Roxy dresses. I bought these last summer. I included them in my favorite dress video, and these are a size extra small, and I feel like if I would have gotten them in a size small, they'd fit me a little bit better. These are super cute. The only thing is I feel like my style is changing. I'm gonna be 22 and I feel like these are just a little too short for me, a little too tight, and they just don't flatter my body the way I'd like them to. So they're stunning, they're super cute. I would highly recommend Roxy. And I mean, if I seen these dresses again for a good price, I'd probably pick them up in the next size up, just so they're a little longer and I have a little bit more room so I'm not like too tight in them. But this one I wore twice, and this one I haven't even worn. And I'm so mad because I paid $51 for it. But I'm not gonna let it sit because there's no point. It's just gonna sit there. So the next thing, this I wore like for 2 seconds. I took the tag off. I really shouldn't have. This is from Garage. It's a size extra small. And the reason why I'm getting rid of it, again, it's just too short. It's one of those things where I bought it. It kind of fit me. And I was excited that something fit me. So I got it. And I know the style is very cute. I love the pattern. I just feel like I should have gotten a size small, just so that I'd have a little bit of extra room, so that the length would be a little bit better. The next thing here, I tried to wear this yesterday. This is again another thing that I tried to make fit for me, and I tried to make up a reason why I could wear it. I tried to wear this as a cover up at the beach. It's so cute. It's very cute. If you're a size small, you would fit in this. I'm an extra small, it does not fit me. It's just too big, and it even hits me at the knee in an odd place. I know I could hem it, but it's just coming down to the fact of it doesn't fit me. And yes, I could tailor it, I could take it in, I could do different things, but if I tailor it, will I wear it? Because I literally only reach for it once. So unless it's a piece I absolutely love and I try and try, sometimes it's better to just get rid of it. So again, another thing was this really long dress. It fits me very, very well lengthwise. The only reason why I have to get rid of it is just because it's too long right up here. And I was trying to think with like a bandeau, it may fit me better. With a bralette, it may fit me better. But I'm kind of at the point where when I'm out in public, I just don't want people to see that. Like, that's not how I want to dress. So I'm gonna pass this along. It's just, even the neck in the front, it goes down too far, even with the bralette. It's just uncomfortable for me. I really wish it wasn't because I love it. I feel like, again, if it was an extra small, it would be better. So I feel like I have to figure out sizing, fitting, form before buying things. Just because it says an extra small doesn't mean it's going to fit me the best. And just because it's a size small doesn't mean I want to walk around in something very baggy. So I need to start learning that. The next thing here, I am so sad. This is something I would love to keep, but I can't because I cannot. I've tried and I've tried and I've tried, and it's not working for me. This is a tank top from Dynamite. I have not worn this out. I've tried to wear it so many times. So yeah, I haven't even worn this. Tags are off because I wanted to wear it. I even put it in the washer and dryer just to shrink it, and it still didn't shrink. So Dynamite makes very, very nice clothing though. The next thing here are two bandeaus from Garage. This one is brand new. They're size medium. Again, it's just one of those things that I kind of rushed into because these don't fit me properly. The small did not fit me. I thought the medium could fit me, and it just did not fit me. I feel like I'm better off buying one bralette that's a little bit more money than buying two things that were a little bit cheap and just didn't fit me. So this here again is from Garage. I feel like a lot of it's from Garage, but that's only because like when I go in there, things fit me because it's made for teenagers, and then when I get home it's like it's a little too short. But anyway, this here is an extra small. The small did not fit me. It was too big around my waist. So the extra small fit me around my waist, but holy moly, if I turn around, if I bend down, if I do anything, everything is exposed. And it's not like I'm able to wear, well, I guess I could, but it's not like you're really able to wear tights underneath. It's not like you're able to wear really any type of shorts underneath because of how small this is. So again, I'm not really about that right now. So I just feel like it's time for it to go. I never wore it and I wanted to wear it. I just never did. Okay, so I'm just gonna mention these. I got these for free from Jed North because it was like buy something, spend so much, get something for free. So I got some free socks. They just don't fit around my calf. I tried to wear them once, they didn't, so they're gonna go. The next thing here, this is from Blooming Jelly. Like I said, I went through my swimming things, and this here just has to go. I wish it didn't, but it does. It's a size small and it's just too big. That's the one thing with swimsuits, is I wish I could get an extra small on the top and a small for the bottom, but they sold them as a set, so it was kind of hard. I tried as much as I could with this one, but again, I couldn't fill it out. So what's the point of keeping a swimsuit top that you're not really comfortable in? And at the end of the day, I would rather wear a sports bra rather than that, so I might as well just keep the sports bra. But if you want good affordable swimsuits, Blooming Jelly has a ton of cute swimsuits. That's all I've been wearing this summer, so I would highly check them out. The next thing here, again, this is from Amazon. It's got its tags on it, and I never wore it. I thought I'd keep it as a swimming cover-up when I go swimming, just because, again, the length, the fit, the style, I'm not sure about, and the material. So I kept it hoping I would use it as a summer cover-up, and I never did, so I'm just gonna pass it along. So again, this is from the lookbook store. A lot of you commented that you really liked it. I'm keeping quite a bit of things from them. There's no point in me keeping all of the bell sleeve tops because they're all the same style. So I'm just gonna pass this one to my sisters, only because I know they're going to like them. These are just some tights from Le Chateau. They're a size small. I definitely need a size medium, so these gotta go. These here are some jeans from Guess. I wore these a ton. They were actually my sister's, and then we swapped some clothing, traded for some clothing, and I took these because I had no jeans with rips in them. I really want to try and find that right pair of jeans with rips in them. I don't want it to look like too many rips, but I also want it to look like that really perfect pair. And because I'm 22, I'm not saying I want to dress older, but like I don't want them to look too teenager like. And now I finally know what I want in a ripped jean, so I'm gonna pass these along. But man, these got a good use out of them. They're from Guess, and I would highly recommend jeans from Guess just because these went from her to my other sister to me, and they're still in like amazing condition, and she probably got these secondhand as well. I feel like that's a weight off of my shoulders. I feel like now I can finally start being able to wear the clothes that I want to wear, and I'm really excited for that. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video and what other type of videos you would want to see next. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to subscribe if you have not. Make sure to ring that bell to be notified when I upload next, because I've got some activewear that we're getting rid of also. So that's about that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.